Hello and welcome to Ally Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print out your Outlook calendar if you fill out all your events and you want a physical copy to put on your wall. Say if your kid wanted to or needed a physical copy to look at from day to day and didn't want to just look at the screen to find it, then this is the way to do it. So first, you want to open your calendar. When you have it open, say you have, as an example, if you had your whole calendar, it was all booked with a bunch of different events that you had. Say you had this like I don't know, just any basic events that you have throughout the day or throughout the week. You can put it into your calendar, and then when you're all set and you want to print it out to create a physical paper copy to put somewhere in your house somewhere, you can, up here in the top right corner, all you have to do is click this print button. Once you do that, it'll give you a print preview of your calendar. You can view it just to make sure everything's filled correctly. You could even just print this out blank too if you want to fill it in with your own handwriting with pen and or anything like that. So either way works. Otherwise, you're just gonna choose um, the calendar. So this is pretty much as if you were printing out as well as if it was filled out with your own activities. If you were printing it out to be blank, so you could choose what month it's viewing, the time range. You can also show mini months, so like the top corner, you can show a printed agenda for each square of each day. Otherwise, you can just click the print button and I'm sure it'll send it to your printer, whatever's connected to your computer. And when that happens, it'll just print through and you can paste it anywhere you need to in the house to make sure that you remember each thing you put on that calendar. Other than that, thank you for watching and go check out my other videos for any tips on Outlook.